I've been using the Arc browser for a while now, and in this video, I'm sharing my honest and unbiased review of Arc browser in 2025. We'll cover everything from standout features to potential drawbacks. So by the end of this video, you'll know if Arc is the browser you should switch to this year. Let's get into it. Arc browser is designed to reimagine the way we browse the internet, focusing on a cleaner, more organized, and distraction-free experience. One of its standout features is the sidebar interface, which replaces the traditional top tabs with a sleek, vertical layout. This makes multitasking smoother and keeps your workspace clutter-free. Another great feature is the concept of spaces, allowing you to create separate, customizable environments for work, personal use, or any project you're working on. You can also pin tabs, set up split-view browsing, and use built-in tools like a screenshot editor and notes, all inside the browser itself. Arc is built on Chromium, which means you still get access to all your favorite Chrome extensions, but with faster performance and better design. Pages load quickly, and Arc automatically clears clutter to help boost productivity. However, Arc does come with a few considerations. Currently, it's only available on Mac OS, with Windows still in development as of 2025, so not everyone can use it just yet. Also, if you're very used to Chrome's interface, the learning curve with Arc's unique design might take a little time to get used to. In terms of privacy, Arc offers strong privacy controls and even integrates blocking tools to limit trackers and unwanted ads, giving you a smoother and more secure browsing experience. Overall, if you're looking for a fresh take on web browsing with powerful organization tools and a beautiful, minimal design, Arc browser is definitely worth considering in 2025. But as always, take some time to see if it fits your personal workflow before making the switch. That's all for this video. If you found this review helpful, make sure to give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.